GoHighLevel just rolled out one of the smartest updates we have seen so far. Your quiz results can now map directly into your CRM custom fields. No Zapier, no manual tagging, just automated data mapping inside your CRM. And in this video, I'll not only explain what this update does, I'll show you a real use case using my ideal marketing strategy quiz to help you see how it works in action. Hello everyone, this is Hassan from Logics. If you are using GoHighLevel to capture leads with quizzes, this new feature is an absolute game changer. So here's what's new. HighLevel now automatically creates CRM fields for your quiz results. Number 1, overall score and performance tiers, category-wise scores and tiers, and even the highest and the lowest scoring categories. Every time someone retakes your quiz, those fields update instantly. No duplicates, no messy data, just clean, organized insights. Let's quickly walk you through how you can enable this. Inside your quiz builder, go to Results Page Customizer and enable the option to map scores into CRM custom fields. That's what allows quiz data to sync directly with your contact records. Here, you can also choose how you want scores to be displayed, either as a percentage or as a score out of 10. I'll keep it as a percentage for this demo. Now let's see this feature in action using my ideal marketing strategy quiz. This quiz helps businesses identify which marketing focus suits them the best: brand awareness, lead generation, or customer retention. Each question adds points to one or more categories. For example, if someone values consistent visibility, that adds to brand awareness. And if they prefer high volume conversions, that adds to lead generation. And if they care more about repeat customers and loyalty, that adds to retention strategy. When the quiz is submitted, HighLevel automatically calculates the overall percentage, each category's score, and even identifies which strategy scored the highest. Now, here's the magic: automation. Inside your workflows, you can use these quiz fields as dynamic triggers. For example, if top category is brand awareness, send content on trending tactics. And if top category is lead generation, send funnel building resources. And in the same way, if the category is retention, trigger a loyalty strategy follow-up. This turns your quiz from a lead capture tool into a full-blown personalized engine. Before this update, we had to rely on tags, pipelines, or external tools to manage quiz outcomes. Now, it's all native inside HighLevel, structured, synced, and instantly ready to automate. Quick notes before you build: scores are stored in number fields, category names and tiers are text fields, retakes override existing data, so no duplicates. Works inside workflows, emails, smart lists, and campaigns as well. So that's a new quiz result, CRM field mapping feature, and how you can use it to create smarter, more personalized automation inside HighLevel. So if you would like to try this out with the Sandbox account, drop a comment below. I'll share the details with you. And don't forget to subscribe. More GHL updates and automation tips are coming soon from Logics.